Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to make vegetable fried rice. Heat oil in a pan, add the garlic and stir fry till it turns fragrant. Add the chopped vegetables and saute till they are done, but make sure that they stay crisp. Then add the cooked rice, the crumbled Maggi Magic cube and mix well. You can also add a tablespoon of soya sauce to the rice to give it an oriental twist to your vegetable fried rice. A big bowl of vegetable fried rice is tasty, healthy and super quick to put together. One of the best parts about the stir fried rice is that you can easily customize it by adding your favorite vegetables, which also adds more color, nutrition and texture to the dish.